Everyone dreams of a better life, a life of confidence and purpose, but most people never reach it, not because they lack talent, but because they believe change must be dramatic. They wait for the perfect moment, the perfect plan, and while waiting, life quietly slips away. But what if I told you that greatness isn't built in a day, that small steps taken daily can lead to the biggest transformations? Let me tell you a story of a village boy named Rafi. Rafi lived in a quiet village, surrounded by rice fields and dusty roads. He wasn't the smartest in class, he wasn't the strongest in sports, he was just average. And every time he looked at others, he felt like he didn't belong. His cousin spoke fluent English, his neighbor won medals in school, and Rafi, he struggled to read a single page. He tried to change, he studied for hours, then gave up. He exercised for a week, then quit. He told himself, maybe I'm just not meant to shine. One evening, Rafi sat beside his grandfather, who was slowly carving a wooden flute. The old man's hands moved gently. One stroke at a time, Rafi asked. Why spend hours on this old piece of wood? It looks the same, his grandfather smiled. Each stroke may look small, but together they create music, he continued. Life is like this flute. My child, you don't shape it in one blow. You shape it slowly, patiently, one stroke at a time. That night, something changed in Rafi. He didn't aim to become perfect. He aimed to become 1% better. He read just one page a day, then 5. He did one push-up, then added one more each morning. He learned one new English word daily, then 10. At first, no one noticed even. He doubted himself, but after 30 days, his reading became fluent, his body felt stronger, his words carried confidence. One day, he stood on stage, delivering a speech in perfect English. The crowd clapped, his teacher smiled, and his grandfather whispered, "You carved your own flute. My boy, this is the truth. No one tells success isn't about giant leaps, it's about tiny steps. 1% better every day becomes 37 times better in 1 year. If you read 10 pages a day, you'll finish 15 books in a year. If you save $1 daily, you'll build a habit stronger than waiting for a big salary. So, if you feel stuck, if you feel average, remember Rafi. Don't try to change everything today. Just ask yourself, what's one small thing I can do to become 1% better? Because greatness isn't built in a day, it's built daily, one word at a time, one push-up at a time, one page at a time. And when you look back, you'll realize those tiny steps created the giant leap you always dreamed of. Your 1% today's your 100% tomorrow.